In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update MX Records for Business Gmail in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Google's official MX Records in the admin console and what to look out for when you update your DNS with your domain host. First, open your browser and go to the Google admin console. Sign in with an account that has administrator privileges for your organization. If you manage multiple domains, double check you're in the right admin profile so the records you view match the domain you intend to use for Gmail. From the admin console homepage, go to Apps. This is where Google centralizes settings for your core services. If your layout looks a little different, use the search bar at the top and type Gmail, then select it from the results. Next, select Gmail. You're heading into the service-specific settings so you can access the recommended mail routing details provided by Google. This keeps you aligned with the latest requirements and avoids copying outdated values from a third-party article. Now, open the Setup section. This area focuses on foundational configuration. It's where Google surfaces the exact MX records you should use for business Gmail, including the server names and their priority numbers. Here, you'll see the list of Google MX servers along with priority values. Priorities tell mail servers which destination to try first. Lower numbers indicate the higher priority. Copy the records exactly as shown, preserving the full server names and the specified priorities. Any typos, missing dots, or incorrect priorities can cause delivery issues. Keep this page open while you make changes at your domain's DNS host, such as your registrar or DNS provider. You'll add each MX record there, one per line, with its priority. If you see old MX records from a previous email provider, plan to remove them so they don't conflict. If you use a security gateway or a third-party relay, coordinate with that provider before changing anything to avoid interruptions. After saving your DNS changes, be aware that propagation can take time. Many updates apply within an hour, but in some cases, it may take up to 24 to 48 hours for mail to consistently route to Gmail. During that window, some messages might still land with your previous provider. Scheduling changes during a low traffic period helps minimize disruption. That's it. You've located the official Google Workspace MX records and gathered everything you need to update them confidently at your DNS host. Keep the admin console tab handy for reference, and once DNS has propagated, new mail will begin flowing into Gmail for your domain.